Freeform Factory Limited is an innovative Jamaican company producing a wide range of products from expanding polystyrene or EPS, commonly called styrofoam. Polystyrene is a lightweight plastic derived from petroleum byproducts and natural gases. Starting off as small white granules, polystyrene beads contain pentane that expands when heated. Steam is used to soften the plastic, expanding the beads to at least 100 times their original size. This material can now be cut into a range of shapes and densities, making it suitable for just about any application. Born from the vision of CEO Keith Edwards, Freeform Factory was established in 1992 to respond to a growing local need for affordable, durable building products that meet the highest international standards.
This all started when I lived in Canada in the 70s. I was employed to a company that was making furniture from polystyrene pellets. Went to school and decided to return to Jamaica in the 70s, 1979 actually. By 1980, I was able to establish a business called Curve Space, and that enabled me to make beanbags and other related soft furniture. We continue to use styrofoam. We were using a primitive method to actually make the beads. I actually went to Negril, and I think they had started to build a Rio hotel, and realizing that they used the foam extensively on that Rio hotel. Rio bought a lot of materials from Mexico, and it was costly to import the material and logistics in terms of their site and so forth. I had some friends in Venezuela who were in the same business, so I visited them and was able to acquire a used machine. In 2002, we started to produce polystyrene foam. And actually, we were able to get the contract with the second Rio. For example, the Iberostar and Rio and say the Bahia principle would use the polystyrene in their floor slabs. And that reduces the weight of the floors because, you know, they use large spans. And there has to be many beams that are wide. So in order to reduce the weight of the slab, they would use polystyrene as a void filler and create what you call like a waffle slab. It offers insulation as well as soundproof. Our present home is at Nanspen here, where we have acquired all new equipment. So at this stage, we are able to supply any demand that comes to us for polystyrene foam, where a lot of local companies have now realized the importance and the benefits from this material.
This revolutionary building system has many benefits. EPS is the most widely used insulation material in the world. In our tropical climate, using EPS on walls, roofs, and other building surfaces helps to reduce indoor temperatures, resulting in lower cooling costs and efficient savings on electricity. This proven technology has become the preferred choice of architects and contractors globally. Another advantage is that EPS is made highly fire resistant and provides great sound insulation. Our buildings are designed to withstand earthquakes measuring up to 8.5 on the Richter scale. Buildings constructed from this material survived the onslaught of Hurricane Ivan in 2004, demonstrating the remarkable ability of EPS to withstand severe natural disasters. Another major benefit of EPS is that it's easy to transport, handle and install, significantly reducing the construction time. This feature makes it approximately 30% more cost efficient than using conventional materials. EPS building systems are designed to help you construct better buildings in less time. The pre-engineered panels and box forms eliminate many other steps that are normally required on the job site. Once the foundation has been laid, the next step is to put the wall panels in place. The panels are made of EPS, sandwiched by a dual layer of zinc-coated steel wire mesh. Thanks to their lightweight, these panels are easily carried by 1 or 2 workers without the aid of a lifting machine. This makes installation easier and more rapid in any situation without the need of skilled labor. Then we erect the columns. With the panels and columns in place, the next major step is to coat them with 3 inches of concrete on either side. Once fully dried, the walls are rigid and moisture-proof. The next step is the roof. First, EPS panels are laid on a frame. Then the steel components are interlocked. Electrical infrastructure is then put in place. Then it's time to cast the concrete. EPS can also enhance interior and exterior finishes. We make a wide variety of architectural features such as crown moldings, columns, pedestals, arches, keystones, brackets, column and wall caps, trims and sills. All structures can be customized in the factory to meet your individual needs. In addition to residential uses, EPS is widely used in commercial construction, especially in high-rise buildings. In Jamaica, several new hotels have used this technology in their flooring as this greatly reduces the cost and the weight of the building. EPS is also widely used in civil engineering, in roadworks, to fill foundations and embankments as it has a very high ratio of compressive strength to density, for clay heave protection, to prevent building swelling because of water uptake, for concrete void formation, in bridge construction and building decks. EPS has been used to build residences and commercial buildings all over the world. Your project can be next.